utilizes petrol stations in their current capacity as nodes dispersed throughout the city's urban fabric to form frameworks for the implementation of eco-friendly technologies and policies. So this is the basic energy and waste flowchart that drives our design, and it centers very much around these urban batteries or biogas stations. And what these do is that they collect food waste and other organic waste from the communities in the immediate vicinity and recycle them.
So this is basically a typical sectional drawing of a generic petrol station. So what we're trying to do here is to actually use the existing infrastructure that's already in place. And we did some research into composting systems and biogas production, and we realized that the structure of a petrol station actually fits the brief of a biogas production system. So that's basically what we did. And we also have a greenhouse on the second level of it. And basically what happens is the waste that's produced by the composting systems actually flows up into the greenhouse and fertilizes agriculture that's in place. So this is a basic diagram of the construction phase. Phase 1, petrol plants are considered to be redundant. And phase 2, we utilize the platforms as grounds for agriculture. And then phase 3, we erect a structure that's lightweight enough to be supported by the existing structure.
And these are just some structural drawings showing a possible architectural form. This is by no means exhaustive, it's merely a suggestion of what could be done. And obviously each petrol station would have to cater to its own context, immediate context. This is a detail showing how crops could be grown organically on the roof structures of each petrol station, using compost that is produced as a byproduct of biomethanization. And this is how we dealt with the network that currently exists of petrol stations scattered throughout the suburbs, and basically taking each one and creating zones around them, which gives rise to economic opportunities for waste collection and new government policies. And this is a simple diagram showing how as more waste, organic waste is collected, we reduce the dependency on energy from power stations, and that leads to the introduction of the city of shorter distances, which leads to more sustainable living. And finally, this is just our impression of what could happen.
And this is just a representation of not just vegetation that can be grown, but the future of poultry or pigs or any other form of livestock that can be grown, and the waste that's produced by the livestock gets fed back into the composting system and produced the biogas.
Time. Thanks.